Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to receive crypto on Coinbase in 2026. Want someone to send you crypto on Coinbase but not know where to find your receiving address? Here's how to receive crypto step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. But before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you'd like to join this platform, you're gonna go to the Coinbase.com website by accessing it via your browser by typing in Coinbase.com, or you can access it via the Coinbase app. It's available in both iOS and Android devices. Just go and look into the store, and you'll find the app. Now, once you download the app, or you enter the website, you're gonna click on sign in or sign up depending on whether you have an account already or not. Once you finish setting up your account, you're gonna be directed to your account's dashboard. Now, after you sign in or log in, you're gonna on the home screen, you're gonna tap send and receive. Now, the second step is to choose the receive option at the top. You're gonna choose and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Let's see this video detailing this step right here. As you can see, you're gonna click on receive crypto. And after that, you're gonna choose the crypto you want to receive. You're gonna select the cryptocurrency you want to receive and make sure the sender is sending the exact same crypto. Now, as you can see, this, for example, it shows Bitcoin. Now, sending the wrong assets can result in loss of funds, so make sure to choose the right assets. After that, you're gonna copy your wallet address. As you can see here, this is the wallet address for Bitcoin. And then you can share the address. You're gonna send that address to the person who's sending your crypto. Now, after that, after sending the address to the person who's sending you crypto, you're gonna have to always double check the network. For example, some tokens exist on multiple networks, so make sure both sides use the same one. And that's how you receive crypto on Coinbase safely. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.